Fujifilm revealed its new lineup of square format instant film cameras, the Instax Square SQ1. SQ1 gives users 1.5x the print size as well as some handy new automatic features. Instax Square SQ1 combines everything users love about the Instax Mini's cool, modern style and functionality with a larger, vibrant output of square format instant print film. The minimal boxy design and small body gives you a little more prints. Features include auto exposure, which uses ambient light levels to optimize shutter speed and flash output for more natural looking. One-touch selfie mode, combined with the built-in selfie mirror, makes for better close-up shots when you rotate the lens from the on position into the selfie position. The Fujifilm Instax Square SQ1 will be available mid-October. The camera is available in terracotta orange, glacier blue, and chalk white for $120, while the film will run you $15 for a 10-pack.